The Hindu. If you know the extension number, please dial now or dial 0 for operator assistance. Thank you.
द हिंदू
हिंदू। अच्छा, आप मुझे ये मैं संजय खेर बोल रहा हूँ, कश्मीरी बोल रहा हूँ। तो ये आप एडिटर से मेरे से बात करवा सकते हैं? कैन आई टॉक टू हिम?
हेलो
हेलो, हाँ, मैं नो who's calling on the other side. I am Sanjay Kher, Kashmiri speaking.
I am Ramji sir, Mukund secretary.
Yeah, Mr. Ramji, I was just seeing this your newspaper, the headline. So it's very nasty headline. Yeah, what you are doing, that Indian Air Force plane shot down by Pakistan. So how can you, have you seen the other? Are you आप Pakistani हो या आप Indian हो? How can you be so rude, yeah, so bad? Means that there are two jets which have been downed. One is from Pakistan and the other one is the Indian Air Force. So we know that it could have been more mild and while you are sitting in India, it could have been different. You just see the other headline. It is bloodied and grilled Indian Air Force pilot Abhinandan. He stays calm and collected.
Yes, sir.
And you just see that, and he's a great man. He had just maintained his cool. You just see the videos that had yesterday gone viral. Have you seen those videos?
Yes, sir.
So how? And he's a Tamil person, and
yes,
you
sir.
are a Tamil newspaper.
Yes, sir.
ये क्या है यार? तुम लोग क्या है? तुम पाकिस्तानी हो? ये हिंदू पेपर, is it a Indian newspaper or it is you are just getting some funding? And how? I have great respect for Mr. Ram and what I don't want to use any unparliamentary language, but how don't you just even have any conscience left with you? Don't you want to just answer your own self first as an Indian? Well, how can you be so crude and so bad? Writing that Indian Air Force jet down by Pakistan. Why don't you write about the other jet, Pakistani F-16 or whatever it was? And then there's the fuselage, there's everything, that all those pictures are coming in the newspapers now, and they are also viral of that F-16, which this Pakistan is denying. But India is saying that, Indians are saying that, we people are saying that, our people have seen that it had just gone across the line of control and it had just fallen there. I am a Kashmiri Pandit here. I am a bleeding for the last 30 years. 1990, 500,000 Kashmiri Pandits have come out of Kashmir. You know?
Yeah, I respect your sentiments, sir. But
you are writing, you are the enemy of Tamil Nadu. I am telling you, of Madras. We are having of Chennai, this Hindu newspaper. You don't even care for your own people. I was just seeing the photograph of this Abhinandan and his wife. She's also happened to be, she's now retired squadron leader, and their child. Our eyes and our hearts bleeds for them. It is really shameful. It is really very, very bad for Hindu. You just tighten your boots. You just introspect, think a little bit, and just see that what a great disservice then you have done to India, this great nation of ours. And just think of 500,000 Kashmiri Pandits here. They are for India first now.
Okay.
And then Kashmir.
Okay.
And we have contributed even to Tamil Nadu also some thousands of years back. Dig deeper in the history. The fountainhead of India, Kashmir.
Okay.
So much
good name, sir?
contribute. I am Sanjay Kher. Sanjay Kher, K-H-E-R. You know Anupam Kher?
Yeah, Anupam Kher.
Same. Cut Anupam and write Sanjay. Replace Sanjay. He's a great person, and I am also, and of course, pro-Indian. We're all first India first.
Yeah,
that is the only thing that I believe now.
I
stand for Hindu. Let Hindu newspapers stand for India. Stand for India and stand for the Tamil people and stand for each and every person who is Indian. And give unbiased this news.
Yes, definitely.
You cannot just see your headline, yeah. But I don't know, and convey to your. What's your name, please?
Ramji, sir. Ramji.
Tomji,
Yes,
yeah, so great to talking to you, but then I am shocked. Please, convey to Mr. and Ram also, and this is the sentiment that of each and every Indian. They are just saying very loudly, loud and clear, shame on Hindu now. Please be very careful. And that person who has just given such dangerous and such anti-India headline.
okay, sir.
This is not correct here. You should talk about the F-16 jet of Pakistan that has also been downed yesterday.
Yes.
So be considerate and be Indian first, and then only you can give. So please be careful. That's my request and that's my submission to you.
Yes.
That is 20. That it was today is 28th February 2019, and then this is the news that you have covered for 27th of February 2019.
Yes.
India is on fire today, yeah. These days we are on the high alert. No, everybody is thinking about India now. So be careful about it, yeah. It should not happen again. That's my request and submission to you.
Yeah, definitely. I'll pass on the this information to our editor, Mr. Mukund Padmanabhan, and also the respective team who has taken care of the
team, and tell them that this is not good. This is not good.
Yeah.
Before the Indian population and Indian public rises against you, and then they grab this offices, before that you should just tighten your boots, and you should just give a balanced news. It should not be pro-Pakistan. It should not be pro our enemy. It should be India first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thanks. Okay,
Thank you very much, sir.
Bye.
The Hindu. If you know the extension number,